So I want you to think and then tell your partner or your team what's something you noticed on your photograph. I've been using the new speaker system ever since it was brought to Bowen Elementary. Since we first got them about 2 years ago, I find it extremely helpful. Yes, Niam. As a classroom teacher, I am able to fully hear my students.
Run, Sophie, up ahead.
Oh, I love that! Especially with the mask because it bars lip reading and the projection of the voice, so the speaker system is a great, great tool.
It helps make her voice louder so we can hear her better.
What gives you that thought?
You know, we have some hearing impaired students in the past, and so we've had teachers that have used an audio enhancement system that followed that student. We saw the benefits for all the students in the classroom, and so teachers started asking, can we get something that is like that?
Whenever you start school, you get really shy and your voice is kind of really low. And when we didn't have that sound system, I couldn't really hear my other classmates. It really helps because I can hear my other classmates with their work, and it kind of inspires me.
It may hurt, but be strong.
I can see benefits of having a panic button. Maybe if it's something that is too dangerous, we would be able to quickly call just by pushing a button. Okay, friends, you all have done an excellent job. I really appreciate your patience. So before having it, I would have to project my voice a lot, sometimes so much so that when I would go home in the evenings, it would be hoarse, raspy, and I would really have to limit my talking until the next day so I could refuel up with my voice. I have no issues with that now after using the system.
It looks like she's doing a backflip, kind of.
Okay.
We don't have as many of them at the beginning of the year losing their voice like they tend to do when you're given all the procedures and directions and all of that at the beginning of the year.
When I'm able to hear my students, the other students can also hear them, and it just validates their thinking a little bit more. We can all hear them, so we're all on the same page.